This is the best breakout trading strategy. Alright, so let's get right into it. I will use GBP/JPY as my pair for this video, and we are going to use the 30-minute time frame. So when do we look for breakouts? We look for breakouts when the market is in a consolidation phase. Okay, when market is not trending, because when the market is trending and moving very aggressively either to the up or downside, like this for example, this is when we don't look for breakouts. We look for breakouts when the market is in a consolidation phase, like this, for example, and then it breaks out to the up or downside. Okay, so when the market is in a consolidation phase like this, we basically have a range. This is our range, and we expect the price to break out of this range. Now, you might already know the basics of breakout trading. A lot of traders like to place their sell or the buy right when price gets out of this range. But me personally, I like to do it different. Okay, so if you're interested, make sure to stick till the end to find out exactly how I like to do it. So instead of placing a sell right after the price gets out of this range, because the reason I don't do it like this is most times the price will fake out. After it breaks out, it will fake out, stop the traders that got in aggressively, and then continue with its move. Me, instead, what I like to do is after I see the aggressive breakout, I like to see for a retracement, and then on the retracement, I like to enter in that specific direction. Okay, so now let me show you a chart example using the recent price action on GBP/JPY on the 30-minute time frame. Let's check this out. Let me use the bar replay as well. Okay, check this out. So right here, it's safe to say that GBP/JPY is pretty indecisive. It's in a consolidation phase. Okay, it's not trending. It's in a ranging phase. So that being said, we can place a range that looks like this. Okay, I like to use two trend lines always. Then I just clone them and place them here as well. And you can see that we are in a consolidation range, and we could wait for price to break out of it. All right, so now what we have to do next is just wait, sit on our hands and wait for price to break out aggressively, either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, boom, we have our aggressive breakout, and now we are not entering. Okay, we are not entering. Now what we would wait for is I would most likely place a fib level. I would place a fib level, and I would wait for price to at least come at my 50% area. So here it was super close to it, but it didn't touch. So now let's just wait. Let me adjust my fib level. And now again, I would look for price to come around 50 or 60 on my fib levels. And around that level, I would look to the left side and see if I have any structure. And check this out. Right here, we can see that we had a very solid resistance level. We had one rejection here, 2, 3. So 3 rejections. This is definitely a solid resistance level that was broken. And now this zone right here could become a support level. So this is a double confluence for me. We have the 60 level on the fib as well as a structure level. That was pretty important, a key level. So now I will just wait and place my buy limit right around here in the middle, and stop loss could be at the 78 if I want to be conservative, and then I would most likely aim for a 1 to 3. Risk to reward is totally up to you. Okay, this is totally up to you. It's depending on your style of trading and on your character, of course. So check this out. Check how beautiful this tapped our zone, and it rejected from it instantly, and then it went up and smashed the full take profit. Okay, so as you can see, we waited for a range to form. After that, we waited for the aggressive break, and after that, we waited to enter on the pullback. Because look, check this out. Check this out. Let me tell you why I like to do this instead of actually entering aggressive. Because look, if you decided to enter aggressive here, right on this candle, you would have most likely entered here, you would have said, oh, let's place my stop loss right below my range, which would be there, and take profit around here. And check what happened. First, you would have got stopped out, and then price would have moved in the right direction. You know, that's why I was never a big fan of trading the breakout aggressively, right? So I hope it makes sense. Let's see. I think I have another example here. This is a short example. Check this out. Sorry. I clicked the wrong button. This is a sell example. Let me clone this once again and put it on top. Okay. Once again, clone and put it here. All right. So check this out. We are now here in a consolidation phase, a very big range. As you can see, we can extend it here, but it's not needed because we can fully see it. It's very visible. And now what we would do is we would wait for a breakout. All right, so let's wait for the breakout. Boom, we have the breakout. Now what we would do is we would place our fib level. Okay, and we would wait for price to get to the 50 or 60. We look at left. We don't really have structure here, so we would just go based on the fib levels. And now we would have just waited. Okay, we can keep extending the fib since we go lower. And boom, at the 60, we would have entered for a short right after the first bearish candle would have formed. And now stop loss would be again at the 78. Take profit. We could use another 1 to 3 if we want to. And check this out. Another beautiful take profit smashed. Okay, so 2 trades in a row. Recent price action. Okay, this was literally from last week, I think, on GJ. And this is exactly how I like to trade using breakouts. Okay, I really hope it helped. Also, if you want to see the trades that I'm taking every single day during the week, make sure to check my Telegram group down below. Is the first link in the description. Go ahead and join it. And apart from this, if there's questions, please let me know down below. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss out on future content like this. And of course, as always, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.